Hey guys, so we are going to learn two new sight words today. All right, so let's go over the ones we already know. A-N-D, and. I have a dog and a cat. A-N-D, and. T-H-E, the. The big dog is so cute. T-H-E, the. There was a pig in the mud. The letter A. In. The frog jumped in the water. I-N. In. To. T-O. I love to go to the farm. T-O. To. This next one is one of our new ones. You. Y-O-U. I am going to take you home. Y-O-U. You. Here's the word you in the sentence. This is the word I. Now, usually our I has another line here and another line there, but sometimes in print, you will see it like this and with lines up here like we write it. All right, but how we use it in a sentence is I will catch the ball. Now, when we write it in a sentence or when you see it in a sentence and it is a sight word, it is going to be capital. It's always going to be your big I. So I will catch the ball. Good job, guys.